Alright, so for this last assignment for this week, you are doing some online stoichiometry practice, and this is your Kami doc that you need. So you need to do 8 problems. So 2 of them should be mole to mole, 2 of them should be mole to mass, 2 of them should be mass to mole, 2 of them should be mass to mass. And so you go to this website here, and you click New Problem. And then you look at what kind it is. So for the balanced equation shown below, how many moles of H2 will be produced by 3.72 moles of H2SO4? So then on this document here, I would circle or underline or whatever that this is a mole to mole problem that I'm going to be doing here. Now you want to put the problem here. You can do that as taking a screenshot and copying it over. Alright, so you could also copy or just paste it. So take a screenshot or paste it, but you need the problem to show up over here. And then you need to solve it. So take your 3.72 moles of H2SO4. And then it looks like it doesn't copy over subscripts. If you want to, you can fix that. You can add your subscripts here. You don't have to. When you paste it over, if it doesn't do subscripts, that's fine. If it bothers you, you can highlight the ones that you want, and then you can click on the little subscript button. Alright, this is a mole to mole problem, so I need the single division bar, and then my starting unit goes on the bottom, moles of H2SO4. And then the ending unit, moles of H2, goes on the top. And the equations they give you are already balanced. So this one's a 3, this one is a 3, and so the answer is going to be 3.72, because times 3 divided by 3 gives you the same answer, 3.72. So you type it in right here, 3.72, and then you click check answer, and if you got it right, it'll say correct, and this will go up by 1, or this will say incorrect, and then you can try it again. And then you circle on your document whether you got it right or not. Now that checks off one of my mole to mole problems, and now I need to do another one. So I generate new problem. This one is a moles to grams problem. So I would again copy that over, solve it, type in my answer. Let's say I get the answer wrong. Okay, so I'm going to take this problem here and I'm going to copy it over. I'm going to paste it into problem number 2, and shrink that down, move it around. Alright, so now I got this problem here. I'm going to work out and solve it. Let's say I get the wrong answer. So I'm going to put in the answer 3. And it says incorrect. And then I get to try again. So let's say 6.5. That's also incorrect. And then 11.1. Why not? Alright, and that's also incorrect. So after 3 incorrect times, you can click the show answer button, and then it'll show you the answer, but you can no longer enter an answer and get points for that problem. So if you click the show answer button, it'll show you how to do it, but then you don't get any points. And then what I would do here is, since I can't do this problem anymore, I would circle no, and then on this document I gave you space at the front for 8 problems. So let's say you get all 8 correct at the beginning, then you're done. This is as far as you go, and then you want to put your screenshots here. So I want to take a screenshot of this here, so I'm going to take a screenshot of that. And so let's say I did one problem, but I gotta go do something else, and I don't have time to do any more problems right now, so just like screenshot this little box here, and then alright, so I save this to my computer, this screenshot, and stoichiometry screenshot 1, and then I open it, do the add media button, open from your computer, grab that from your desktop and put that in. And you need to put as many screenshots as you need to get to 8 problems. So if you're not doing them all at one sitting, you'll have to put in multiple screenshots. I give you plenty of space for that. So you should have a ton of space. This correct box should all add up to 8 when I add up all your screenshots there. And you can just have one screenshot, or you can have 8 different screenshots. That's fine. And the total done, it doesn't matter what this number is. So if you need to skip problems or you didn't get them right, that's totally fine. Down here, there's more space. So if you get one wrong, you're going to need this more space. And so there's a lot of extra space for doing problems down here that you can, if you get them wrong, you got to keep going until you get to the 8. So there's that extra space there for you. And that's how you do this assignment. So remember that you need to do a certain number of problems. So 2 mole to mole, 2 mole to mass, 2 mole to grams to moles, and 2 grams to grams. So let's say that you get a problem and you're like, oh, I already did this kind of problem. Just click new problem until you get to the kind that you're looking for, and you can just click new problem. Like I said, this total done doesn't matter to me. So just click new problem until you get to the kind that you're looking for, but you need to do 2 of each kind of stoichiometry problem.